Yo, what's up man? Lalaro tayo ng part 2. Chugi naman guys. Ay, tapos na pala yung 2. Ito na. Subscribe muna. Ito nga. Paglaban tayo. 1v1. Chucho versus Nola. Ito na.
Wait.
Ito naman kaya.
The dragon is back.
Ah? Bagong hero! Saan labanin? Kalaban! Ano mo? Bagong...
Welcome to Global Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Build. Merong ano. Tatanggalin ko ng camera sa negro. Pangalawa to, pangatlo. Tapos yung kulay red. Ito. Ay, hindi pala ito kayaan guys. Yung sabi mo pa. Ayan, yung sabi mo kapon. Tapos guys, ito pa yung defense. Itong thunder bell. Yun lang
In
po.
the world of Kung Fu,
Lang po, may nakalimutan.
defines a winner.
Yung boss ko pala. Tapos wala.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Baka hindi mo na naalala yun. Wait, di mo.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Guys, ito na guys. Kapatan namin. Pero level 1 pa lang siya. Pag
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
I-max mo. Ito na natin pera na. Sige pa, dali yung ulit mo. Ano po, isibin. Ang pangalawang
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
ang maiwan po itong dalawa. Tapos, dalihan mo na.
Everybody has to start somewhere. your
two,
cup
two.
in order to fill it again. In the world of kung fu, pick a fight. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody.
Ito ka.
Not knowing what to do, that's the word.
Ito mo yung di ka ito pinindot?
Ano ya kayo?
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Takbo.
Ay. Wala.
Kalaban ko ito yung bagong hero.
Wala. Ayan.
Knowing it's not
No one is talking about it in the world.
Ano naman gagawa ng build ko? Huwag mo tanggalin yung boot. Tinatanggal kasi.
Ano mo? Bilang.
Yung.
Hmm.
Wala ko boot.
Wow.
empty your cup in order to fill it again.
I-press ko.
Not knowing oneself is the word.
Sigod. Ito pala ako.
The word.
Dami mo. Ako.
Ito oh.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Di ka naman.
Everybody has to start somewhere. The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ay, kanina mo ka.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Teka lang kita.
In the world of kung fu, defines a winner.
Hirap dog.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. The man who beat me The man who beat me has not been born.
Huwag mo nga ulit yung
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ay! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Aray! Ah! Aray!
Legendary.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines a winner.
You destroy the turret.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody.
Abangan natin ito dito.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but it works. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Legendary.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Ito.
Paano combo?
Legendary.
The man who beat me is nothing. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Kasi di kaya ulan eh, no?
Legendary.
Hindi niya alam mo.
Yak!
Sabi niya. Yak! Ito po.
Ay, ay. Wala ka dyan.
Ay,
Tapos na.